Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 3 polynomials. Most important questions, okay now, for the Telangana State Board and Andhra State Board according to the recommendation they can watch, okay now. So let's move. So here it is our introduction here, okay now, like what is polynomial, it is you can say one type of note, so you cannot say there's something. So right, so you can see from here, right, so let's see that here. So let's see the easy questions, okay now, this is for 5 mark questions, something you can see. So let's see from here, okay now. So directly we are I didn't show the something whatever extra in that one. I directly come to the question only. So let's see this here, okay. Don't think like I missed something and something else from that. So is it not like that? I didn't miss anything, but I directly come to the question. So this is a paper here, you can see, right. I make it small here, okay. You have to be look this easily, so you can see easily this one, okay. If it is clear, then I make it something bigger, okay. So this one you can see, this shape of answer is very very important, okay. Okay, now so you can see this one. Actually I want to sit, okay, whether it is clear here. All right, so where it is, okay, is it clear? Right, so if it is clear, then come to the here, do the graph of p of x, okay. And then you can see this one, okay. Then that's one you can see, okay. Then draw the graph of y equals to x equals to, that's one, okay. Then you can see this one also, okay. Then this is also graph. I make you a small here, okay, right. So let's see this one here. Here graphical thing is only there, so that's one also graph, okay. Is it okay? So you can, next one is also graph, so you can see this one, okay. And then here is it, you can see, and then that's graph you can see also, okay. Then easy question here it is given also, so you can see this one and that's one. Then here you can see, okay. Then verify the 1 minus 1 and minus 3, something is it given, okay. Okay, so if the zero of polynomials, okay. Okay, if A has to calculate, is it okay for you? Product of 0, okay. And then you can see this one. Actually I try to show this everything fast because you know there is something minor time is difference here, okay. Solution since, okay. Check by division whether it is okay. Alright, so this is the short answer for me also. Alright, is it clear for you? It's a fourth one, you can see, find the quadrilateral polygons, okay. Alright, so you can see that's seventh one. And I'm sorry, I'm really sorry here, okay. I'll try to fix it, okay. Then here you can see, Okay. So from here the objective type question is started. Okay. The degree of a convex polygon. Mutually flowing is not a zero to polygons. Okay. Alright. Is it clear for you? So this is the key concept of that one. You can see from here. Okay. Then fill in the blanks and start from here. With the answer it is. Okay. Now so already the answer is given in that one. So you can see. Well, so whatever in this paper, everything is clear here. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind.